Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to vote in a Facebook Messenger app poll. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the conversation or group chat that contains the poll you want to participate in. This could be a one-on-one conversation or a group chat where someone has created a poll for everyone to respond to. Polls are a great way to gather quick opinions or make group decisions without lengthy discussions. Once you're in the chat, scroll through the messages until you find the poll. Polls typically stand out from regular messages with a distinct card like appearance that displays the question and voting options clearly. You'll know you found it when you see a structured format different from standard text messages. Now, once you've located the poll, you'll notice a vote button displayed prominently on the poll card. This button is your gateway to participating in the poll and sharing your opinion with the group. Go ahead and click on it to open the voting interface. After clicking the vote button, you'll see radio buttons appear next to each available option. These radio buttons allow you to select your preferred choice or choices from the options presented in the poll. The interface is designed to be simple and intuitive, making it easy to see all available options at a glance. Here's where it gets interesting. Simply click on the radio button next to the option you want to vote for. What's particularly useful is that you can actually click multiple radio buttons if you want to vote for more than one option. This flexibility allows you to express support for multiple choices in the same poll, which is helpful when more than one option appeals to you or when the poll creator has enabled multiple selections. Once you've selected all the options you want to vote for, look for the Submit button at the bottom of the poll interface. Click on Submit to finalize and record your votes. This action sends your choices to the poll and updates the results for everyone in the chat to see. And that's it. You've successfully voted in a Facebook Messenger poll, contributing your opinion to the conversation and helping the group make decisions or gather feedback. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.